Hello everyone, I'm Kishi. Let's fold a penguin today. Please get a sheet of origami paper. If you only have rectangular paper, refer to my other video and make a square first. Place the color side facing up. Put the corners at the top and bottom. Fold the paper in half by matching the bottom corner to the top corner. Crease the edge. Unfold the paper. Fold the paper in half by matching the right side corner to the left side corner. Crease well. Unfold the paper. Fold the top corner to the center. Crease the edge. Unfold it. Fold the top corner to the first crease line. Crease the top edge. Fold the top edge to the first crease line by covering up the triangle. The tip of the triangle underneath should not be seen. Crease the top edge. Turn over the paper. Match the top right edge to the center line. Crease the right side edge. Match the top left edge to the center line. Crease the left side edge. Fold along the line that passes through the bottom corner of the top white part. Crease the edge. Turn over the paper. Mark at 1 centimeter or half an inch from the top right corner. Starting at the point, fold the tip of the right side corner to the center line. Crease the edge. Do the same for the left side. Mark at 1 centimeter or half an inch from the top left corner. Starting at the point, fold the left side part to the center so the tips of the corners of both sides meet on the center line. Crease the edge. For the bottom corner to the point at which the corners of the above two parts meet. Crease the edge. By starting at the bottom left corner of the tiny top triangle, for the right side part so that the left edge passes through the tip of the border line between the color and the white. Crease the edge. By starting at the bottom right corner of the tiny top triangle, for the left side part so that the right edge passes through the tip of the border line between the color and the white. Crease the edge. Fold along the line that connects the top corner of the white triangle part and the bottom right corner of the bottom white triangle. Crease the edge. Fold along the line that connects the top corner of the top white triangle and the bottom right corner of the bottom white triangle. Crease the edge. Fold along the line that connects the center of the top edge and the bottom corner of the tiny top triangle on the right. Crease the edge. Fold along the line that connects the center of the top edge and the bottom right corner of the tiny top triangle on the left. Crease the edge. Turn over the paper. Draw the eyes and color the bill. Now our penguin is complete. Please fold more and create a family for him or her. Thank you for folding a penguin with us today. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and hit the like button so that we can fold the next origami together again.